Today we will discuss this multiplication table of 3 and 4 first. So all of you, I would request to all of you, please take out your math copy. All of you take out your math copy. Those have already done this homework, those are not done, no matter. All of you, please take out your math copy. Take out your math copy. All of you. And what you will do, first thing, that is you should write down CW for it, because today's it is our class work. So left of the page, above the page, you should write down CW, and below of the CW you just write down today's date, that is 14/12/2020, 14/12/20. Okay, and then you will start writing. First we will write multiplication table of 3. So I'm writing on the board and you are writing on your copy with me. Okay, both we are together writing. So let's start. All of you are ready? Ready or not? All of you have already okay, Shrestha and Priyam written yes, very good. So let's start. So first, table of multiplication table of 3. So 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Next, 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. Next, 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 3 threes are 9. All of you writing like this manner. Okay, as like me. First I have written 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Then I am repeating 3 ones are 3. You are doing like this. তোমরা সবাই কিন্তু ঠিক আমি যেভাবে করছি ওইভাবেই করবে, কেমন? How it is? First লেখার সময় আমি বলছি 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Then I am repeating 3 ones are 3. Okay, so যতবার আমরা বলবো লিখবো ততবারই আবার রিপিট করব, এভাবে বলবো। Okay, now let's start. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 3 fours are 12. Next, 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. 3 fives are 15. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. 3 6 are 18. 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 27. Sorry, 21. 3 sevens are 21. 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. 3 eights are 24. Okay, you have completed. So here you cannot see the board, this lower portion of board, so that's why I am writing right side, left of the part. 3 multiplied by 9 is equal to 27. But you are right, this manner, this vertically you are continuing this like this, এইভাবে নিচে নিচেই লিখবে তোমরা। Okay, here board is not is visible, this lower portion to you, Because of this, I am writing right side. Next, 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. So 3 tens are 30. Okay? Just I am repeating the this portion. 3 from the starting. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Okay? Have you completed? And like this, এইভাবেই নিশ্চয়ই করছো তোমরা. I hope you are also doing this. Yes or no? Okay, Ashmita, thank you. And now I'm checking. Very good, Rudraditya. Excellent. O3, where is your CW date? This part. Ashmita, I have checked your homework. Excellent. Very good, Ashmita Bhavak. Very good, Ashmita. Multiplication table of 3. Hanifa. Hanifa, excellent. Very good. Shrestha. Shrestha, very good. Excellent. Simran. Simran, where is your date? And CW, C, you have written C like this way. And your multiplication table is correct, but please write down C properly and write today's date also. Okay, so I can check, I have checked that those are sending me the screenshot, and Srijan just sending me. Srijan, very good, excellent. Shastita, এটা কি এখন লিখলে নাকি এটা হোমওয়ার্ক which you have sent me? This one is your homework or now it is your class work? Shoshmit, you have written only answers with the pencil, but I want just whole thing you are writing by own with pencil like this. You are taking first a pencil, then after you just write like this, 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. এই পুরো পোর্শনটাই তুমি লিখবে, ওকে, not your parents. It is your work, okay. তুমি লিখবে 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Whole thing you should write with pencil, okay. এটা কিন্তু তোমার ওয়ার্ক। সমন্তক, CW date, where is CW date? Very good, your answer is correct and excellent, but where is CW date? It is missing here. Now Anurag, very good, excellent, excellent writing, Anurag. Okay, Shanstita, it is your homework, but now I am checking today's classwork. All of you already written with me this table of 4 and sending me also the answer. So you are also writing like this table 3 again and sending me screenshot. Okay, Prithviraj has sending me. Very good, Prithviraj. Very good. Moyuk, excellent, very good. Siddharth, excellent homework you have sent me. But where is your classwork? That is also sent me. Okay, now we are doing next one, that is multiplication table of 4, because you have already written multiplication table of 3. Now we are doing multiplication table of 4. Okay, so when you are writing like this, 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. Am I written correctly? আমি কি ঠিক লিখেছি বোর্ডে? My writing is good. My writing is correct or not? Is it correct answer or not? Anurag told me that no. But why no? Oshmita written yes. Oshmita, why yes? কেন yes আর কেন no সেটা আমাকে বলতে হবে। Which is wrong here? My writing which is wrong here? আমি ভুল কি লিখেছি যার জন্য অনুরাগ লিখেছে নো, অ্যান্ড অস্মিতা এটাতে ঠিকই বা কি লাগছে যে ঠিক আছে। ওকে, কাম অন, টেল মি। Yes, Anurag is given me the answer. Very good. Yes. And Oshmita, what you have told? Oshmita কি বলছো? Let's see. Oshmita Bhavak is typing what she is saying, and Priyam also typing. Anurag is giving me the answer. Okay, Oshmita, thank you, your answer. And Priyam sent on not neat and clean. Priyam, আমি neat and clean নি করতে পারিনি। নিট ক্লিন নয়, কি নিট অ্যান্ড ক্লিন করতে হবে প্রিয়ম? যথেষ্ট পরিষ্কার করে লিখেছি, তাই না? Okay, so Anurag and Ashmita Bhavak, yes. প্রিয়ম এই ও প্রিয়ম বলেছে এই মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন এই ওয়ার্ডটা এটা ক্লিন নয়। ওকে, আমি ঠিক করে লিখে দিচ্ছি। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, নিট অ্যান্ড ক্লিন করে লিখে দিচ্ছি। ওকে, ইয়েস ম্যাম। And Priyam, one more thing, this multiplication table, this multiplication sign, it is not correct. You know, এটা neat and clean নয়, এটা হচ্ছে incorrect, because multiplication sign is like this, because I have written like this. One line I have draw here like this, and one line I have drawn shortly, but it is not the sign of multiplication. Okay, multiplication sign is like this, so it is not correct. My question was that. Thank you Anurag, and thank you Ashmita Bhavak. So now we have started. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. So 4 ones are 4. এইটা কেন আমি বললাম? Because when you are writing multiplication table, multiplication sign you should given correctly. Most of you are write like this. Sometimes you are writing like this, like this, like this. No, always you should given the multiplication sign properly. Okay, next 4 multiply by 2 is equal to 8. 4 2s are 8. Next 4 multiply by 3 is equal to 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 multiply by 4 is equal to 16. 4 4s are 16. Next 4 multiply by 5 is equal to 20. 4 5s are 20. 4 multiply by 6 is equal to 24. 4 6 are 24. Next I am writing the side of the board. 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 multiplied by 9, 36. 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. 4 10s are 40. Okay, so from first just I am repeating. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Okay, Granthona is showing her copy. Very good. Wow, so sweet. Granthona's hairband is so cute. Wow, you are looking very sweet. Yes, okay, but Granthona, I cannot see your copy or you're writing clearly. And all of you, please turn off your camera, because it is the problem, it is for problem someone little bit visible, but you just take a screenshot and sending me through the chat box, then I can get properly. Okay, Granthana, please do it. Okay, Moyuk, your answer is correct. Very good. Shoshmit, Shrestha. Very good, Shrestha. Very good, Oshmita Bhavak. Excellent homework, excellent handwriting. And Anurag. Very good, excellent. O3, very good. Very good, O3. Next, Shastita. Very good, Shastita, excellent. Srijan, excellent. Very good. Tathagato. Very good, Tathagato. Thank you. Excellent. Rudraditya also, your answer is correct. Very good. Now Shayam Prabhu. Shayam Prabhu also, your answer is correct. Very good. So all my dear students have written and sending me the answers. They have correct. And who is there? Yes, Tathagato also. Tathagato, you have written, your answer is correct. But if you are doing or writing, your writing would be neat and clean, then it will be better. একটু পরিষ্কার করে যদি লেখো, neat and cleanness is necessary, you know. So আরেকটু যদি neat and cleanness টা থাকে তাহলে that is good. Okay. And other thing is very nice. Shoardo, don't send any voice message because I cannot see, hear. And okay, very good. So those have sending me, I have checked, and it is our today's work. Next day we will discuss about the additions, that is which I have given to you, that is homework, that additions I will discuss next day. Till then you are practicing at your home all these things, these multiplication tables and all these things. And one more thing, whenever you are writing or reading this multiplication table, only when you are writing first, when you are writing this multiplication table, all the time you are writing today I have just like today's work, যেমন আজকে লেখা করলাম ঠিক সেইভাবে, like this. That is, first you should read properly. Then when you are writing, suppose 4 multiplied by 1, first you should write, then you are repeating, মুখেও বলবো 4 ones are 4. That is the whole process. Okay, so you are practicing like this. Next day we will meet again in our another video. Till then, tata.